Hello and good day to all viewers. Today, we will make a video about action camera. It's different from our other videos. This action camera, I use this camera almost of our videos are made from this camera, which is made from GoPro. And this model is this one, GoPro Hero 12 Black. I bought this camera from UAE, United Arab Emirates, or Dubai. And almost of our videos are made from this camera. And I'm very satisfied for the performance of this camera. So, let us see what is inside of this camera. It's the carton. This box is made of very durable materials. The logo, very good materials. This is the charger, wire cable charger. You can use cell phone charger any or in the port of the laptop. This is the manuals. Subscription manual. And this is our camera, GoPro Hero 12 Black. Very small. This is the handheld handle for this. And this is the headgear, like that. Enduro headgear. You can position this, you can install this. But let us first identify the function, all the function inside this camera, outside in the external function of this camera. This is the mode button, or power button. This is the shutter button. Let's try to on this. There are two screens. The inside screen and the LCD screen and the screen for outside screen. And this is the lens, built-in lens, wide lens, which is 1.0. And you can replace it or you can buy another wider lens than this, which is 2.0. All you have to do is to twist this counterclockwise twice. Then you can place the other lens, which is wider than this. And this is the folding fingers. Below the folding fingers, there are two speakers. One, two. You can see the slot, the hole, small hole. That is the speakers. In between the folding fingers, there's a mounting threads. You can install it with a tripod, then turn the thread. This is the door and the door latch. And this is the microphone. And drain microphone. This one. You see the the microphone. There is a hole, small hole made of holes. Then this is what we call the drain microphone. This is the design because this action camera is a waterproof camera. You can use this of a depth of in the water of a depth of 10 meters or 33 feet. So it's very deep. You can use this camera. So that is why the design for the microphone, there is a drain. So do not touch this because no other purpose is for this portion is to drain water when the camera, when the microphone, when the water enter the microphone. So there's a drain. The water can drain this portion. This is the design. So we try. This is the latch, and this is the door. So we open this by going this. By doing this, pull down this latch, then pull out, just like that. When you do this for the first time, it's very hard because this is very strong. And now, uh, how many time I open this, it is going to, it is not very hard now because your hand is already experienced on how to open this. This is the design because this is waterproof design, and we off this before we take out the battery. There are two batteries, and there is a handle for the battery, so that you can replace with the other one. This one. There are two batteries, and this is that you can charge this. You can install the charger here. There is a slot for the charger. Then the SD card slot. This is the SD card. Remember, the SD card is not included in the package. But you cannot, but don't use SD card, ordinary SD card, because this is 4K video. It cannot apply the ordinary SD card with this camera. So all you have to do is to buy ultra fast SD card, or there is a or B30 SD card, which is very fast. The battery and the other one. There are two batteries. And this is for 3M. There is a 3M tape to fix this in a position. Wherever you want to fix this, you can fix this by using this 3M tape. there is a handle for the battery. And this is the status mode, indicating when you are charging. This light, LED light, will be going to light if the battery is not full, and if the battery is full, this light is off. And this is the screw. This is installing screw. There are two screws. This one is the purpose for this, that this screws are to install this by handheld handle. The folding fingers can engage this. Then put the screw, install the screw inside. Then turn clockwise, like that. Do not afraid of losing the screw because there is a spare. Then, when you are taking video, do not afraid of falling down this, accidentally falling down this camera, because there is a strap. You can engage the strap into your hand and adjust. There's an adjustment to make the strap tight. This strap is stretchable. There is a lock. You can push and pull. So, like that. So, when you are accidentally pulling down this camera, like that, it's this strap preventing from pulling down this camera into the floor, on the floor. So it is very useful. This, as I said, this strap is stretchable. Look at that. Okay, and it made of very strong material, very durable material. and there's a foam you can hold that. Very good. So this is a foam. The purpose for this is when you are gripping this, your hand is more comfortable when you grab this, when you hold this handle. Then the head jar, you can install this in the head jar. The same way of installing the handheld handle. The same procedure. The same mountain bracket with the handheld. Then put to your head like this, like this. Then adjust the focus of the camera. This is very useful when you are working and taking video. If you are alone. So when you are working, when you are reviewing, this is very useful. And this is used for biking. For the purpose for this is when you are riding a bike or a motor. And this is made of strong material and GoPro logo. Very good material. Very hard. This GoPro, I'm very satisfied with this performance. And you can download the application Quick GoPro so that you can easily see your video and transfer your video to your phone or in the laptop. Very easy to use. And this is also voice control. This is 4K video. And you can set to 5.3K also. This is the LCD display. The same display here. Very easy to use. And you can edit anything you want to do this camera. This camera is very clear. Imagine 4K. And you can set also to 5.3K. But if you are going to do this by in in an easy way, you can set this to Pro, GoPro setting, auto or auto mode. I'm very satisfied with this performance of this camera. So if you have a plan to acquire this is for you. Okay, that's all. And have a great day to all viewers.